Well, we're going back up on the toboggan again, on the mountain coaster, or the luge, whatever you want to call it.
What?
And I'm with Leo this time. Leo, say hello to the camera.
Hello.
Let's take you there. There you go. Are we going to go fast, Leo?
Yep, very fast. Show the camera. Look how high.
Are you going to do a commentary, Leo?
Yep. So here we are going up the lift. At the end it's like a light in which it goes red or green. Red means you have to stop. Green means to go. And you can make it slow or fast. Whatever you want. You can make it fast, slow, or whatever you want.
Are we going to go fast?
Yeah, very fast. Faster than a train.
Is this going on Mummy's YouTube channel, Coaster Mum Claire?
Yep. I don't know why she called it that.
Has everybody got to subscribe?
Why she call it Coaster Mum Claire?
Well, because she's your mum and she likes coasters, so she's Coaster Mum Claire.
Alright.
You're going to tell everybody to like and subscribe, Leo?
Yep, like and subscribe and hit that bell. We're going pretty high up. We'll go very high up. Here we go up the lift hill. That sign means you can't take your seatbelts off. You'll be flying out of this coaster.
Do you remember when we came up on this, when it was snowing? There was all snow around?
It was all snowing, it was. And I remember the toboggan. I've been on the toboggan like a couple of times I have. Here we go. Just up this lift hill. There's the light, I mean.
Oh, we've got a green light, Leo, look.
Yep.
That means we can go, doesn't it?
Yep.
Hmm?
Yep. Here we go!
There we go.
Oh God! No! Oh God! Can you show the camera to me?
Oh, I can't at the moment, Leo, 'cause I'm holding on to the
Whoa! Whoa!
Hey! Hey!
Oh God! Oh God! Oh God! Have to be there.
Hey?
Why does that thing always have to be there? Do you want to go on this
It's
again?
coming to the end, isn't
Do you want
it?
to go on this again?